Ito naman po, Boston Celtics, Jrue Holiday, Jaylen Brown. Harford. Jason Tatum saka si Kristaps Porzingis. Let's go. Si Beso. Okay. Subukan natin.
And so off the tip, it's Boston.
Oops.
Tatum.
Uy, tumapal.
And here they come.
Ako naman. Maangas yan, guys. Lang sa ball yan.
Chicago on
defense.
defense.
Bubble court, no?
Brown outside.